How's it going? Adam Drake here, and today we have a new product that I want to share with you that is available on the drakeracing.com. They are colored fuel tank pulls. So currently they are available in white, black, yellow, orange, and blue. They not only look super nice, they can kind of customize your car. You can do it to match either your paint scheme, the wing or wheels that you use. They are also much more durable than the standard rubber tank pulls. And we did a few things with these to make them even more durable than some of the other ones on the market. We actually, when they're made, the holes are not originally in the tank pulls or in the strap. We then have a fixture and we use a leather punch and we actually punch those holes so that it's really clean and just so it's a little bit more durable on the end. There's a few reasons why we made these. For one, we just thought they looked kind of cool. Two, we wanted something more durable, and kind of the most important thing was we wanted something, if you're racing where pit lane isn't lit up well, or if you race at night, it makes it much easier to see, so it makes your pit stops a little bit smoother and more efficient. Also, with the little bit thicker material, it has like almost more of like a leathery feel. It's still very soft and flexible, but it is quite a bit stiffer than the standard tank pulls, which helps. So when you come into the pits, this isn't moving and flopping around as much. Sometimes with the stock tank pulls, they can end up where the pull actually goes inside the body, so then it makes it really difficult, slows down your pit stop. And the other cool thing with these is they're pretty much universal. You can use them on pretty much any of the 8-scale buggies or trucks on the market. Mayfield, Heckert, Trury are all using them on their Technos. Myself, Frankie Contreras, the Killix. There's tons of guys on the Mugen side that are using them. Guys with HB cars. We even sent some home with the Killix for Ungaro. He reached out and he wanted to try some on his AE cars. So again, these can be used on pretty much any of the buggies or trucks on the market. As far as the colors go, again, we have 5 colors: white, black, yellow, orange, and blue. We can add to it if we feel there's a need for it. So if there's a specific color that you're looking for, just put it in the comments, and if we get enough interest in it, we can add additional colors down the road. But again, these are available now through the drakeracing.com and just help make refueling a little bit easier, and also it's a bit more durable than the standard tank pull.